Around the rim of the vast Pacific, nations reckon up the grim toll of the seismic shocks that triggered a week of devastating earthquakes and volcanic eruptions in Chile, and tidal waves and tropical storms that battered every shore from the Philippines and Japan to Alaska. This is the town of Yankee Way in Chile, some 600 miles south of Santiago, one of the hardest hit in a nation where famine, exposure, and plague now threaten to add to the nearly 5,000 lives lost. Emergency relief has poured in, but the nation's problems of reconstruction are of a crushing magnitude.
Hello everyone, I'm Daisy and this is Lee, and today is May 22nd at 3 p.m. and we are here to talk about the amazing, adorable new little chick petting zoo. Isn't it great, Lee?
It sure is, Daisy. These two chits have always been popular with the local kids, and now there's an amazing story behind it. Last night, these two chits led 5 children out of a burning building. They were seen moments before the building collapsed.
I mean, they're super cute and heroes. Luckily, no one else was injured in the fire.
They surely will be the most popular animals of 1960. Oh
What's
no!
happening?
What's going on?
Oh my god!
Daisy!
Stay safe, little chicks!
Chicks?
No!
Alright. Breaking news just in. There's been an earthquake near here. Let's go to our reporter on the scene, Nicole.
Nicole, are you okay?
Thanks, Daisy. We're doing okay here, but a little shaken up. I'm Nicole, and I'm reporting live from Valdivia, Chile, where an earthquake has just struck. Actually, the earthquake originated about 100 miles into the Pacific Ocean, but we felt it here. Major structural damage has been done to some buildings, but luckily, few have collapsed, and most other parts of Chile are unharmed. Right now, people are just searching for their family and hoping their houses have not been damaged beyond repair. Here, look, a civilian. Do you mind if I interview you?
Oh, okay, sure.
Were you expecting this earthquake?
Well, we get a lot of earthquakes around here, so it wasn't a huge surprise.
And what was this like compared to the other earthquakes?
Well, we've had like 4 earthquakes over the past few days, above 7 on the Richter scale. So we just hope this is the last one.
All of us here at Chile 101 agree with that statement. Now, back to... Please help!
Oh no, our connection with Valdivia has been lost. While we wait for Nicole, let's talk to Callie and Ava, our seismologists, for an explanation. Callie, Ava, are you there?
Occasionally, the plates will get stuck together at the boundary, and as the rest of the plate tries to move, it builds up pressure. Eventually, it will overcome the friction, and the 2 plates will lurch. This creates an earthquake. There are so many earthquakes in Chile because the boundary between the North American plate and the Nazca plate are so close to shore. They also create notoriously big earthquakes because there's so much friction between the 2 plates.
The longer the plates are stuck for, the more energy gets built up, and they have to travel a longer distance over a short period of time once they overcome the friction.
Great information, Callie and Ava. Now let's go back to Nicole in the field. Nicole, are you there?
Hello, Daisy. Tragic news to report at Valdivia, Chile. We have been hit with another earthquake, this one far more severe and deadly than last, at a measure of 9.5 on the Richter scale. That means this is the largest earthquake ever recorded. The city is basically in ruins, but we still do not know the death toll. However, it is predicted to be much lower than one would expect from an earthquake of this magnitude, because most people had evacuated their homes after the first shock. This means when the second earthquake hit, everyone was out in the streets and avoided being crushed by the falling buildings. Right now, the survivors are making their way to the coast to board boats in an attempt to avoid the inevitable tsunami. They think that if they can get far enough off the coast, they will be able to avoid the flooding and debris that comes with a tsunami. Is this the best course of action? What do you think, Ava and Kelly?
Tsunamis are very dangerous because many people don't know to get away from the shore before it's too late. People are intrigued because right before a tsunami hits, the water level goes down and they end up walking to the shore where the tsunami will hit just moments later.
Best thing for everyone to do right now is to get as far away from the shore as possible. Now, back to Daisy and Lee for more developments.
Wow, golly gee. Today has been truly unbelievable. Earthquakes are very common in South Chile, but this time was very different. The earthquake and tsunami were very, very significant.
Luckily, many people were able to make it to higher ground, but the destruction is still immense.
Sadly, about 1,655 people have died in total so far. About 3,000 people are injured in South Chile, and even 2 million people are left homeless.
The destruction to the South Chilean area is just as significant, with $550 million of damage.
But Chile isn't the only place that have been damaged. Tsunamis have killed about 61 people and left $75 million in damage. The west coast of the United States caused about $500 million in damage.
The tsunami also hit Japan, where 138 people died, and there is $50 million in damage. The Philippines were hit as well. They reported 32 dead or missing.
The earthquake's first foreshock only killed a handful of people, but the more earthquakes there were, the more the magnitude increased, causing more damage to be done. Now, this is the largest earthquake ever recorded.
All we can do now is try and repair South Chile's land and families that were damaged in this natural disaster. Please be safe and take care of yourselves.
Good night, everyone, and stay safe.
1, 2, 3! The earthquake don't mess around because it shook the city. This we don't for sure. 2, 3.
We almost died today, but the book no says right out the door. Thank God for the tremors, cause there's something larger coming here right now.
Thank God for the foreshots, for helping us prepare for the biggest quake.
The grounds are shaking, ooh, the grounds are shaking, but it's the largest earthquake that the world's ever known.
It all starts to fall, nothing lasts forever. What makes it, what makes it, what makes it, what makes it, what makes it the exception? So why, was it so destructive? Oh, it's the biggest ever. high ground, get to high ground. Shaking like the South Chilean coast. Oh no, oh no.
Hello everyone, this is Daisy, and this is this is Daisy, this is Lee, and we're gonna have a party. Ready? Hello everyone, I'm Daisy, and this is Lee, and today is May 22nd at 9 p.m.
You know how there's like the awkward.
Rolling! Hello, I'm Nicole, and I'm live here in Valdivia.
They sure are. Just look them in the eyes and you can't help but fall in love with them.
They're gonna be the most
Oh, no.
famous.
Don't threaten the chicken on live camera.
Wow, what happened here is truly unbelievable. So much damage has been done, even though earthquakes are so common here. So common! I think
The South Chilean area is just as significant, with $550 million in damage.
I'm sorry, I did it because I was like, oh god, no.
We are God! Now when that quake hit, just off the coast, it caused a wave. Get to high ground. Get to high ground. Oh god, I'm freezing, okay?